casita. All right, we're moving. So Mike, go ahead and move it.
I don't know if anything is working. I'm having a hard time today, but here's more crazy pants video.
To the casita at the sliding glass door. In 20 to 24, just hold where you're at so we have that noise containment.
There's a dog right there in front of you, Sarge.
Laura, police.
Laura, come outside.
Laura. Police department. Police. We're the police, Laura.
It's the police.
It's the police department. Here, just come up, just a couple with me. Laura, Scottsdale Police. You see my badge? We're with the Scottsdale Police Department.
Okay.
Can you come out and talk with us, please?
We're coming to get you, you big scamming liar. Come on out.
No.
The county attorneys have a search warrant for your property, so we need you to come out.
Okay.
So if you need to get dressed or get a coat, whatever you need, I just need you to come out here with us.
I'm sorry, it's not even 7 in the morning.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm not comfortable having you. I don't know who you guys are.
I just told you we're the Scottsdale Police
I know,
Department.
but I'm not comfortable even opening my screen.
Okay, well,
Oh, you're going to be even less comfortable.
if we were going to handle this more escalated, we would have just forced our way in, but we're not doing that. We're trying to handle this as low-key as possible.
I was told that if the police were going to come, they would come during business hours. Can I call my attorney, please? I'm not comfortable with
You can call your attorney, that's fine.
Let me call my attorney, okay?
That's fine. Yep.
Okay.
Hey, Blasco.
Yep.
There's a door on that.
Yeah, can somebody pick up that door?
You guys break in or something? I'm concerned about my parents.
Laura,
You guys have your
no,
guns
we're-
drawn right now.
Our guns are not drawn. Nobody's
That
pointing.
looks like I can't tell
Is
through the
anybody
screen.
pointing a gun at you?
You know what?
Laura,
Do my parents
Laura.
know that somebody's here?
Yes, we have officers talking with your parents right now. They're inside the home right now talking to your parents, and we have county detectives here.
County detectives
Yes.
here?
So
For what?
I'm giving you an opportunity. I told you we have a search warrant for
Then
your
let
property.
me have my parents out here
No,
and my
no, no,
attorney
no.
on the phone.
You
Because
can-
I
Laura.
don't.
For you, we're investigating your crimes.
I am.
Laura,
Just
listen to me. Just listen to me, okay? I've been nothing but respectful to you.
No, it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning. Let me
it-
just call my attorney,
Hold on.
okay?
You can call your attorney.
I'm allowed to call my attorney.
Well, okay. 20 to 30. Sam 20 to Sam 30.
Oh, shit. You got your gear?
What?
Yeah, he's got his safe. Wait, back there? Right, on the other side of the door. Laura! We don't want to break your door.
She's calling her attorney.
I'm trying to call my attorney.
You know we have legal authority to break your door. We do not
Okay,
want to do
okay.
that,
Are you, David? Do you know what's going on right now?
I can talk to
Hey, we got the county detectives if they want to talk to her.
Laura, open the door.
Sam 20 to Sam 2. Our target is very animated at this point, refusing to come out. She's speaking to us through a sliding glass door. We're giving her an opportunity to talk to her attorney so we don't have to escalate things, but that's just where we're at right now.
Recording 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, fine. That's all. I need it.
All right, she's on speaker with her attorney, and the attorney's advising her to come out.
Laura, come here. It's part of the search warrant. It's part of the search
You
warrant.
guys have guns? You guys literally no.
Laura, we're not going to hurt you.
Okay, we have contact with her. We are escorting her out.
We're fine. This way.
Can you guys just bring her inside the house?
I'll speak to my mom. You guys have guns?
Just give me one more with him, just so we're picking all that up on body cam.
Did you guys want to clear this, or do you have what you need?
No, we need to go in. Yeah.
Hey, just give me a couple to come in here. I got your right side, Max. Just don't let the dog get out, so we got to deal with that nonsense. Okay, let's go ahead and clear out of here. Okay.
All clear?
Yep.
Are you guys have the supplement for us or anything with who all took part?
Yeah, so ordinarily we'll pull a report on our end.
Okay.
And we'll complete it through that, and then we'll just somehow forward that to you guys.
Perfect. Appreciate it. Thank you.
And Sam 20, just as a reminder, It looks like there are a lot of cameras on this property, so just be mindful of that 1013 surveillance while we're in here, because Laura is becoming very animated.
No, I don't know where my mom is.
It is code 4. Hey, just give me a couple to come in here. Can I get one of you guys to come?
Okay, I got serious problems with that. Who did that for me? Bad mirrors. I got serious problems with that.
Hey, just give me a couple to come in here.
The illustration is way better looking than Laura. Other than that, it's funny.
And Henry Curry, if you'll please have a seat in the chair by the door. Sir, will you please state your first and last name and your date of birth?
Johnny Rogers, September 2nd, 2003.
This is Hector Camclup's fault.
You are here today on a new case. You were charged with 1 count of aggravated assault, a class 3 felony. I did find probable cause as to that charge, and I did appoint an attorney to represent you. You will have a status conference hearing on August 9th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing on August 13th at 8:30. You do have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $15,000. If you're able to post bond, you cannot return to the scene of the alleged crime, and you cannot initiate any contact with the alleged victim, nor can you possess any weapons. Failure to comply with your release conditions or failing to appear for your court date would result in the loss of any bond that you post. A warrant would issue for your arrest, and additional bond could be imposed. This takes care of everything that I needed to talk to you about today. If you have no questions for me, if you'll please step to your left. Looks like you had a question. You may ask it.
I just want to, am I being arrested tonight?
You were already arrested.
Like, am I?
Big Dummy wants to know if he's being arrested. Well, after he's been arrested and is now before a magistrate.
That's why you're here.
Am I going to sleep in jail?
If you are not able to post bond, then you will remain in custody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Mr. Curry, can you please come to the podium? And Matthew Clark, if you'll please have a seat. Oh, I'm so sorry. And Mr. Clark, if you'll please have a seat right there.
Yes, I beg your honor. I bow at your mercy. Please have a seat on me.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just give him. We're gonna go ahead and give him a chili right up front here.
My son died a year and a half ago, and ever since then, and everything's just been falling apart.
Mr. Curry, I am sorry for your loss. I would just ask for the opportunity to just let you know what's going on, as I asked at the beginning, and then we'll have a chat at the end, okay? So can you please state your first and last name and your date of birth?
Henry Curry, C-U-R-Y, 11/17/88.
You are here today on a new case. You were charged with 1 count of aggravated assault, a class 5 felony, 1 count of obstructing police, a class...
He broke my foot, though.
Sir, I've asked you twice now to not interrupt me.
I apologize.
You were charged with 1 count of shoplifting by the removal of goods, a class 1 misdemeanor, and 1 count of possession of drug paraphernalia, a class 1 misdemeanor. I found probable cause as to the aggravated assault, obstruction of police, and shoplifting. I did not find probable cause as...
Man bun and crying like a baby. I literally got halfway through this the first time because I couldn't figure out if this was a man or a woman. I'm sorry, but he is so feminine. I couldn't figure it out.
...to the possession of drug paraphernalia. I did appoint an attorney to represent you in this matter. You have a status conference hearing on October 9th at 8:30. You have a preliminary hearing on October 13th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $5,000. If you are able to post bond, you cannot return to the scene of the alleged crime, you cannot initiate any contact with the alleged victims, and you cannot possess any weapons. Failure to comply with your release conditions or failing to appear for your court dates would result in the loss of any bond that you post. A warrant would issue for your arrest and additional bond would be imposed. So it appears that there's information that you want me to consider.
Yes.
Please do not talk about the offense. If you want to talk about your release conditions specifically, I am happy to listen.
I'm in the process of moving, so like I'm gonna lose all of my stuff, my pictures of my son and the things that he gave me while he was alive. And it was on the news that it was gun violence, and I'm in the process of moving my stuff so I can go stay at my cousin's house. But I have 14 days to do that, and it was already like 9 days past. So, and I don't have any money. That's why I'm moving with my cousin, because like my whole family fell apart because my son passed away.
Okay.
He killed himself.
So, Mr. Curry.
And I really wish that you could release me so that I could go to my clinic to get at least some grief counseling and get my medication on track.
Mr. Curry, the first thing that I want to say to you is that, again, I am sorry for your loss, and I do understand the weight of grief.
Mm-hmm.
But you told me that your son passed away a year and a half ago. That's what you just said.
Yes.
And I'm not saying that you're supposed to be over your grief and because you're not. But what
Have you
I'm
lost
saying,
a child before?
I lost my father a year and a half ago.
No, a child.
Okay. So I'm not going to argue with you. So we can have a conversation or no.
Continue.
My loss is bigger than your loss, Judge. I mean, first of all, I don't believe any of it. But if it is true, it's sad, and man up. It has nothing to do with today.
You are responsible for taking care of your own mental health when you are dealing with grief.
Mm-hmm. I deal with it differently.
So,
I'm sorry.
all right, so I think we're done.
All right. So I'm not going home today, right?
You are not.
I'm losing all of my stuff, right? Right? You creating a monster, right? Okay.
It's okay. Jail always needs a good bottom.
Ogletree is before the court with this counsel. Mr. Brenner, Mr. Knippen, Ms. Nicholson, on behalf of the state of Ohio, we're here for sentencing. You wish to be heard on the issue of postponement, continuance.
I did, Your Honor. I know we had some conversations back in chambers since yesterday, and I just spoke with my client here again to confirm. I have had contact with my client's family. He has a sister that's called me. I've spoken with his paramour. They are indicating they would like to be present. They are coming from the Cleveland area. They were not able to be here today. I told them I request a continuance. They indicated they'd be able to be here on Monday or Tuesday of next week. And so I am placing that request on the record. I understand logistically there's another family involved, and I understand that. But I did want to make that request for the record. And further, I've been discussing with my client. He's requesting that the court complete a PSI.
State wish to be heard on that request.
Your Honor, the victim's family is present. They would like to go forward with sentencing today. So would the state. They've been here throughout the entire week for this trial. And I think that there's no reason that this should be postponed. The state's prepared to go forward with sentencing today, and we request to move forward.
All right, that request is denied. We will proceed with sentencing now. I don't see a need for having a pre-sentence investigation. The court has sat through the testimony of this case. The court is aware of Mr. Ogletree's prior record and his current prison sentence, so I don't see a need for a pre-sentence investigation. So that request is denied. We are here for sentencing. We've just sat through 3 full days of a jury trial. The jury has returned a verdict of guilty on all 3 counts from the indictment.
And then I would like to make a brief statement, and then the victim's mother, Tamika, would also like to address the court. Your Honor, I think what's important to note here is that the defendant is 30 years old. and he is currently in prison for numerous crimes, to include attempted theft, failure to comply, robbery, receiving stolen property, harassment by an inmate, theft, disrupting public services, theft, attempted theft, vandalism, firearms in a motor vehicle, B&E, and also involuntary manslaughter, which my understanding was a murder charge that was pled down to involuntary manslaughter. And his current out date is not until 2043. So just the number of crimes he's just in prison for now at the age of 30 speaks volumes. And I know the court has sat through 2 trials in this case and is well aware of all of the facts, so I don't want to rehash those. But I do think what's important for the court to think about, and what struck me in watching the videos, is immediately after this violent assault, where he caused all of those injuries that we saw to the victim, you see the defendant on camera, and he did not care. The complete depravity of the defendant's attitude towards beating a man like that, to the point that he lost his life, and he's walking around the cell, joking, laughing with other inmates. At least with inmate Cummings, there was some testimony that he seemed to be worried about the condition of the victim or how he was doing. With defendant Ogletree, it is clear from that video that taking that man's life meant nothing to him.
This case is so serious, we can't even get into defendant Cummings.
And so because of that, I don't think there is any reason that someone like that should ever be out walking amongst society again. And so the state would be requesting that the court impose the maximum possible sentence. And then Tamika would like to make a statement to the court as well.
Your Honor, no words can truly capture the depth of my pain and the void left in my life. After the loss of my son, Marquise Weatherington, he was more than just my child. He was my firstborn, pride, my joy. While he has made mistakes in life, he still had dreams, hopes, and so much life ahead of him. And all that was stolen in an instant. The day I learned my son had been murdered, my world shattered. Every day I wake up with a hole in my heart. I can no longer hear his laughter, hug him when I need comfort or see. There are nights I cannot sleep because of the images that replay in my mind. Holidays and birthdays are no longer celebrations, but painful reminders of his absence. Even the simplest things like hearing his favorite songs or even looking at his son can break me, Your Honor. I want you to understand that my son was not just a troublemaker. He was a beloved son, father, grandson, brother, friend. His life mattered. He deserved the chance to live and grow and fulfill his potential, and was close to getting out and doing this. Because of this crime, that chance was taken away forever. I am left to live with the unbearable reality of his absence. I respectfully ask that when considering sentencing, the court recognizes the gravity of what has been taken, not only from me, but from everyone who loved him. The pain of losing a child to violence never goes away. My hope is that justice will be served, and not that any other family will have to experience the kind of loss from these defendants.
Thank you.
No, I didn't just wake up. I got up early, but I did just get back from a gym and take another shower.
Anything from probation? No, Your Honor. Mr. Brenner?
Thank you, Your Honor.
And yes, after that sweet woman and that horrible testimony, I mean, it was good, but the horrible thing we just had to sit through. Oh, yes. The defendant decides to make an ass of himself.
A couple of things. First, I want to state that I know the court's aware throughout this case, I've spent a good amount of time with Mr. Ogletree. I've gotten to know him, gotten to know his family, and I think I can say definitively this man is not a monster. I know that it was not his intention to hurt this man or his family. I don't know that we're ever going to know the full truth of what took place that day. But I think that Mr. Ogletree is being truthful when he said that he had no problems with Mr. Weatherington. I think it speaks to his character also. We spoke more than once about the victim's family and about him wanting the victim's family to know what took place and to know who was responsible. In fact, I think yesterday, when we were talking about waiting for the family to come so that they could hear the verdict, my client said, I think they have a right to be here. We were kind of whispering back and forth. And I know that this is a situation that has weighed heavily on Mr. Ogletree. He knows that regardless of whether the outcome of this trial, he's going to be in prison for decades. And I think we've talked, he recognizes that, and I'm not here to make excuses, but he's from the projects of Cleveland. He had a rough upbringing. He's had a lot of adversity in his life. Not that that's an excuse. I just want the court to be aware of that. And I think he recognizes that he needs to and he wants to change and not be this person and not be associated with crimes or illegal activity or, frankly, breaking the rules in a facility. He wants to be the kind of person who is at peace with himself and at peace with other people. I think he's making progress in that direction. And again, I know the court's aware of kind of the progress of this case, but Mr. Ogletree has been respectful. He has been, obviously, I know there was a slight issue during the trial, but we had no problems whatsoever, and I do not anticipate there being problems in the future with Mr. Ogletree. Obviously, this entire situation was horrible and a tragedy, and we are so sorry to the victim's family. With that being said, Your Honor, this was nearly 2 years ago, and I do think that Mr. Ogletree has started to make that change that I was just speaking about and that I know that he wants to do. And I just hope that the court recognizes that, takes that into consideration. Additionally, I will reiterate, I know the court's aware he's in prison currently until 2043. I would just ask the court to issue an appropriate sentence that would perhaps permit Mr. Ogletree in his old age to have some taste of freedom. And we just ask the court to consider that, and thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Ogletree, is there anything you'd like to say before I sentence you?
Yes, Your Honor. First and foremost, I want to apologize to the family because I never got a chance to. Even though I'm not even going to sit and make them excuses for myself. I just want to apologize because don't nobody deserve to be through that. And I was sorry. I'm sorry to even put you through this, man. I'm sorry. Sincerely, through my heart, and I know they brought up my record. I took accountability. I copped out to my actions. This one, I feel like the person who was really involved, he slithered away. So I wanted to take accountability. I did. I wanted to cop out. But I wanted the person who was really involved to take accountability first, because it was his actions. I never had a problem with your son, man. I'm sorry if I never had a problem with your son, man. I never even had no physical, I know you was familiar with coming and shit, they're from the same city. He's told me he was friends with your son. He is not to be trusted. That's not. And I want to warn you that because you deserve to know that. And I don't want to really say too much because it's some of my words, but I'm so sorry for your loss, man. And everybody over there, I'm sorry for everybody lost.
Thank you.
I didn't deserve that.
Thank you.
But again, I took responsibility for my actions and those charges that I'm sentenced for. I took responsibility. I didn't want to make this all long, drawn out. I didn't want this for everybody that's present. I didn't want this. But I just feel like I was my back against the wall, and the person who brought me in the situation was putting it all on me. So I had no choice. I wanted to get on that stand
and tell everything, but the consequences, like, that I will suffer behind that, like, I can severely be hurt. So it's just like, I was confused, Your Honor. I was confused. I didn't know. I was never, like, this was a situation was really new to me. I never even was, like I told Brenner numerous of times, like, I just wanted justice for the family. Numerous of times. From the beginning to the end, I told him, like, I just want, like, if I do get on that stand, it's not going to be for no jurors, not going to be for the nobody present but the family. If I do get on there. Because I just want them to be understanding, but I feel like I would just save it to the end. Like, or just, but at the end of the day, Your Honor, I'm already doing a long time in prison. I'm already doing a long time. I'm looking to get home and I'm 50-something. So that's already deprived of my life. My children's life, I have children too. I'm already deprived from them. So, like, I know they looking for justice, but, like, I'm already deprived of my life, you know? I'm already looking to come home old. Like, I don't, like, at this point, I'm thinking, like, any time farther than that, like, I'm not even looking forward to coming home anymore. So it's like, what do I do from here? Like, I'm overwhelmed with so much at this point. I don't even know if I'm strong enough to stand behind that. Like, but I don't know. I feel like I'm diving in, Your Honor. So I just wanted to express myself to you before you sentence me because, you know.
All right. Thank you, sir. It is difficult to imagine, Mr. Ogletree. I know that you are already serving a long sentence, and now the court intends to add time to that sentence. I honestly don't know how I can, in any way, no matter what my sentence is, provide comfort and justice to Mr. Wetherington's family. I just can't. They sat through 2 trials in this case. Mr. Knippen brings up a point which I was going to mention, is that after this, and the court does believe, after sitting through 2 trials and hearing from the jury yesterday, that you were involved in this, that you did in fact beat Mr. Weathering to the point of his death. I mean, I have no doubt about that. Your actions on the video immediately following that shows no remorse. I don't know how you could have any type, how you could be involved in something like this and not be affected to your core that you've just taken a man's life. And this isn't the first time that you've taken someone's life. This is second time that you've killed another human being. And now you want me to have sympathy on you because your life is now ruined. You exterminated 2 lives from this world. They're gone. They won't come back. This lady will never be able to hug her son again. Forget that. I did not. Listen to me. You had a chance to talk uninterrupted by anybody. Now, if you have something else to say, I'll give you a chance. But once I start speaking, I do not expect to be interrupted. Are we clear on that?
I apologize.
Okay. Is there something else you want to say?
I apologize. When somebody try to tell you you did something, and you ain't do it, it's hard for me to just like.
Well, again, here's the problem, Mr. Ogletree. You can't in one breath say, I wanted to take accountability, I'm sorry for the family, and then in the next breath say, I didn't do anything. That's not how this works. So either you are accountable or you're not. The jury has spoken. The 12 members of that jury found you guilty of these offenses. So I quite frankly agree with the jury, so I'm not going to even dispute this with you. Is there anything else you want to say? And then after this, do not interrupt me again. Is there something else you want to say?
I thought you was giving me a time. The reason why I just was still talking because I thought you just asked me that same question.
I'm not asking questions. I'm making observations right now.
Your Honor, if I may, on behalf of Mr. Ogletree, I believe what he's intending to say, just based on my interactions with him, is He wanted to take accountability for his involvement, but he does deny being the one who beat Mr. Wetherington. I know that's
I understand that's what you're saying, but again, the jury has spoken. The facts have been decided by a jury, and quite frankly, based upon what I saw on the video of his actions following him leaving Mr. Wetherington's cell 2J3, the court, I find that incredible. I mean, I just do. So I won't go on any other. We have exhibits, states exhibits 92 and 93, which have been stipulated to, which show prior convictions of Mr. Ogletree. The court has considered the statements made here today, the purposes and principles of sentencing, the relevant seriousness and recidivism factors. And man, there's no justice that I can dish out today that's going to satisfy you. There's nothing that I can do. I cannot bring your son back. And you have the sympathy of the court. Court does find that counts 1 and 2 are dealing with offenses of arising out of the same incident, and that they are allied offenses of similar import, and they will merge. Count 2 will merge into count 1, the state electing to proceed with sentencing on count 1, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. On count 1, the court will order that you serve a sentence of 15 years to life. On the repeat violent offender specification, the court will order you to serve 10 years, that to be served consecutive to the 15 years to life. On the aggravated robbery, the court will order you to serve 11 years to 16 and a half years in prison. That is the Reagan-Tokes, and again, I'm not really certain, as I sit here today, how that interacts with the indefinite sentence on the life, 15 to life. I will order that to be served consecutive to count 1, and on the repeat violent offender specification, 10 years consecutive to the count 3 and consecutive to count 1 and the specification to count 1. Court finds that the consecutive sentences are necessary to punish this defendant and to protect the public from future crime. It is not disproportionate to the conduct or danger posed by the defendant, and these offenses were committed while the defendant was already incarcerated with the Department of Corrections. If you change your residence address during the 10-year enrollment period, you shall provide written notice of that change to the sheriff with whom you most recently enrolled and to the sheriff in the county in which you intend to reside within 3 business days of the change of address. You are required to comply with all of the above described requirements for a period of 10 years unless your sentencing court determines otherwise. Mr. Logston has a form that basically says the same thing that I just read to you, that I'm asking you to please sign for me, please, and your copy will be given to you. The court does find that he's indigent for the purpose of any fines, costs, or other financial
Thank you, Your Honor.
sanctions. And he has 0 days jail time credit as of today on this sentence. If you're not released when your minimum term ends, you will serve an additional specified period of time and given a new release date. You'll serve until that date unless you are again denied release. The process could repeat until you are released or you finish your maximum term, which again in this case is life. You do have a right to appeal both the jury's decision and this court's sentence to the 12th District Court of Appeals. If you want to appeal, you must file your notice of appeal within 30 days of today's date. If you can't afford to pay for the transcript or anything necessary for your appeal, that can all be provided to you at no cost. If you cannot afford an attorney, I will appoint one for you at no cost. Mr. Knippen, did I leave anything out?
Your Honor, just 2 things that just for the record. I know you indicated there was a stipulation to 92 and 93, which were the certified copies of the defendant's prior convictions. The court is making a finding of guilty.
I'm sorry, yes. Yeah, based upon the stipulation and the findings of the jury, the court will make a finding of guilty with regard to the specifications for the repeat violent offender.
And then also with respect, I know you ordered the sentences to run consecutive to one another. That's also consecutive to the prison sentence that he's currently serving.
I'm sorry, yes, absolutely.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's all.
If I didn't say that, that was the court's intention all along. Yes. All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Brenner?
Your Honor, I will, just to preserve it for the record, I will place an objection to indefinite sentencing on constitutional grounds.
Thank you. All right. Anything else, sir?
No, not this time.
Mr. Ogletree, as I said, you have a right to appeal the court's decision of your sentence and the jury's verdict. If you'd like, I will have Mr. Brenner file that notice of appeal for you, and then I will appoint new counsel to handle your appeal if that's what your wishes are. You can let Mr. Brenner know before you leave. All right. Anything else, folks?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
This
Thank
time,
you.
Your Honor.
What's that?
Not at this time.
Okay.
No.
Well done, Judge.
And Dina, you can have these back. He's not in the habit of throwing into the people's office.
I let the man free. Possible.
I'll file that today.
Hey, real quick. We're still on the record here. The notice of duties to enroll as a violent offender form was presented to Mr. Ogletree, and he's refused to sign it, just for the record. He was given an opportunity. It was read to him on the record. He's refused to sign it, and that's fine. So thank you. You want these back? Yeah.
Second, 2025 in Northbrook, Illinois. Officers stopped a vehicle for not.
MGT left this for me in the Discord. I had to do it because it's an Illinois case. This guy is out of hand.
Displaying a rear license plate.
Get back in the car.
You looking for this?
The license plate? Perfect.
Right here.
Thank you.
On mine.
Another one I couldn't tell if it was a man or a woman for a long time.
All right. Thank you.
I have to read it. What's the problem?
Problem is you stop me and lately I never get stopped.
You have no plates on the car. Makes pretty sense to me.
I got hit by a damn school bus. How the fuck I'm gonna put plates on the car?
Oh wow.
Do it make sense?
So you're the only car on the roadway that doesn't need license plates? Can I see your license plate?
It's one in the front.
Perfect, thank you. '47 copy of plate. Can I see a driver's license, sir?
Nah.
All right, can I see an ID?
Nah. Can't see me.
Do you have a driver's license or ID?
Yep, I do.
Can I see it?
Nope.
Why is that?
Cause I'm in a rush to go somewhere and you stop me from going where I gotta go.
Well, you're gonna keep waiting here longer if you don't show me an ID. I'm gonna need to see insurance too.
You didn't need to see a thing. All you needed to see really was the fact that I have plates and that my shit is valid. You saw that. Now, let me be on my way, because I have to do the work.
Alright, so when you get pulled over...
Oh my God.
When you get pulled over, you have to show valid insurance and valid driver's license.
I think you're going to do what you're going to do. Get away from my home.
4710-4, thank you. When you get pulled over in the state of Illinois, you have to show a driver's license and insurance. So if you don't...
I know, but in all honesty, I only have to show it when you have a reasonable reason to stop me.
Yeah, you didn't have plates on your car.
I literally got hit by a fucking school bus, and I still somehow drive this fucking vehicle every fucking day to work.
Do you have insurance?
Do you think I am going to not ride with the fucking plate in the back of the car like I'm supposed to, because I can't put it on the back of the car?
Do you have insurance or a driver's license or an ID?
Oh my fucking God. You're not having it, but you can see it. Look.
Yeah. I can't understand you when you talk that fast, okay? So you're going to give it to me or not?
Getting me pissed off, and I'm really about to pull off because, in all honesty, you're doing a traffic stop.
All right, you're going to show me an ID or not?
I just did.
I have to see it. You have to take it out of your wallet.
I'm not taking it out of my wallet because then I mean you're going to try to write me a ticket for bullshit. So come on.
Do you have insurance for the vehicle?
Yes.
Can I see it, please?
Alright, 47, there's a lot of background check.
Yeah, stand by. He's not being cooperative.
You damn right I ain't. The fuck?
Still trying to figure that out. Can I see it?
Insurance. You can't touch my phone, but you can see it.
Thank you. And I need to see your ID again, okay?
No, you don't. No, you don't. You saw everything you needed to see. Now I shall be on my way because
if you drive away, you're going to get arrested.
For what? For what?
For not providing the proper information.
For what? I have provided the right information. Bruh, dead ass. What you looking for? What the fuck you looking for? Now close my deal. Bro, dead ass. Close my deal. Bro, close my deal. Bro, what are you doing? Who you think you're doing this shit to? Bro, why are you trying to touch my door? We're in traffic. Get off the car. No, get off the car. No, because like, what are you doing? Why are you trying to break my door? Get out of the car. I'm going to yank you out of the fucking car. Bro, what am I doing? Get out of the car. Hey,
just cooperate.
Get out of the car. Don't touch me. Can you stop?
Get out of the car.
You're literally... Bro, my back is literally hurt from the last time I got in an accident. Don't ever fucking touch me, bro.
Stop.
No, please let me go. Please let me go. Because in all honesty, for what? For what? I've done not, bro.
Why did you escalate all this, okay?
Y'all escalated it, because I've done nothing. Bro, I've done nothing.
Hold on. Just
I'm
get his other hand.
not even resisting. Fuck you doing, bitch?
Take a breath.
Bro.
Take a breath.
Bro, what am I being arrested for? What?
I'm not being arrested due to speed.
For what? For what?
Motherfucker, you just tried to slam that door on me.
I tried to close my door.
Yeah, exactly, and I was standing in it.
Why? Why were you standing in it? What are you looking for?
There we go. All right. Take a breath. Take a breath.
Can you stop touching? No. Can you tell him to let me go?
Take a
Can you
breath.
tell him to let me go?
Take a breath. All right. Take a breath.
I'm not taking no breath, cousin. Bro, don't throw my damn jacket. Bitch.
Take a breath. Okay? Take a breath.
Close my damn door.
Take a breath.
Close it.
Hey.
Now.
Hey, take a breath.
I'm going to count to 10, and when I get to 10, I dead ass.
You're not going to do anything because you're handcuffed, okay? So,
2,
take a breath.
3,
okay?
4, 5, 6.
Are you going in the back of the school?
The irony of this guy calling somebody a B.
7.
All right.
Bro, I've done nothing. What the fuck did I do? I just told you.
You're getting hands up over nothing, all right?
And y'all are doing all this for nothing. Because I have valid plates, I have valid insurance, I showed you everything.
All right.
So, why the fuck can I not go to work?
Are you going to let me talk?
Sure.
All right, you have to identify yourself on a
I
traffic
identified
stop.
myself.
You had no plates on the vehicle.
Okay, I have some plates on the vehicle. You just saw that.
We can't just let you drive away, and you don't
Can
slam
you
the door
put
on an
my shit
officer,
back?
okay?
Can you put my items back?
Could you run him real
Can
quick?
you put my... Would you?
Copy of 27. Do you work at the school?
Yes.
Hey, could you shut that driver's door, please?
Can you turn my car off since you're making me waste valuable gas?
You want me to turn it off?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure.
10-4.
All right, let's put him inside of a squad car until supervisor gets here.
For what?
We're going to determine if there's any charges, and then we'll go from there. All right, so keep walking.
For what?
You want to go walk yourself? Or?
Don't touch me, bitch. Don't touch me, you fat bitch. Like that ass. I will smack the shit out of him. I swear to God, it's because I'm black in a white fucking city. Ain't it?
A little projection and then a race card. It's everything all at once.
Take a seat. Yeah, that's fine.
Can you search him at all?
No, he's not. He's being detained.
I don't have it. I don't have
Hold
anything. You want to search me? Search me. Search
Well,
me.
you're going to the back of my squad?
Search me.
So I want to make sure you don't have any weapons on you.
If I had a weapon on me, I would have used it on you when you decided you was going to break my door.
Why? What would you do with your weapon then?
I would have hurt you because you broke my door.
You know you're...
Because you broke my door.
You know you're threatening the police
No, I
officer,
didn't. No, I didn't.
You just said if you had a weapon, you'd
I
hurt.
said if.
You said if you had a weapon, you would hurt me with it.
If.
Okay.
But I don't.
Can you shut that door?
Right. Can you close my door? My valuable door?
Okay, that's fine.
Can you close? Can somebody close?
We closed
Barry.
the driver's door.
Barry, can you close my door so my car don't die in the middle of the fucking road? I really do appreciate it. Really would appreciate that.
Corey, do we have a supervisor around, sir? Affirmative.
I'm finna blow me. blow the fuck out of me. Especially if I'm late for work.
22, I'm a couple of minutes away.
Got me sick. God, I can wait.
When Luke gets here, just watch and then we'll talk.
Can you close my door? Because if my battery dies, I promise you, I promise. I swear to God, I hate you. Ooh.
You know this could have been avoided if you just...
You know what really could have been avoided? It could have been avoided if y'all really would have just did y'all job. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. It would have been avoided if, and only if, when I stated that I don't have the plate on the back of the car because I got hit by a fucking school bus. And then you had that fat fuck right there touch my back. I'm screaming because I'm in hella pain right now. I literally have a dislocated disc, and that fat motherfucker right there just touched all over it. And y'all were restraining me in these fucking handcuffs.
It's because you were fighting with a police officer. It's not really a smart
I
idea.
literally tried to close my door. Because I opened it to let him see there was nothing right there because he flashed his flashlight in like I was suspicious. I literally came from fucking work. Fuck what I would be doing after work. Going to work. What the fuck would I be doing?
How do I know you're coming from work and going to work?
Because you see that I
You got out of the car and shoved your license plate in my face right away.
You clearly seen my shirt. You clearly seen my ID badge.
Yes.
You clearly seen the permanent parking sticker. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I'm done talking to you.
Yeah, I got it.
Like crazy. Just because I'm black. Dead ass. I swear to God. I can't wait until the end of this damn year. I will not be working back at this school. Because in all honesty, every time I get racially profiled, and best believe, I'm suing for what he did to my back. Because don't touch my damn back without asking me. Don't ever touch me. And you ripped my fucking jacket. Am I free to go or what? Because I got to go to work.
You're not free to go. You're being detained.
Crazy. Y'all stop somebody who's not even an actual criminal, but there's hella criminals on the streets daily. Punk ass police. I literally tried to show them there was nothing there because the bitch was both flashing a flashlight in my car. So I showed him what was in my car. Nothing. Because I just came from work. Stupid ass. If you're going to lie, lie better. Please stop staring at me because in all honesty, I got a real staring problem right now. And it's real killer.
I'm not staring. You're yelling. I was just looking because you're yelling.
Of course I'm fucking yelling. My back hurts. I'm being fucking detained for no reason once again. Ooh. Best believe my lawyer finna be on speed dial. Search for what?
Okay. This is from Midwest Patrol. Link to the channel and the video in the description below.
You wanna search me? Search me. Search me. Because what I got? This skin. That's skin. That's my money. Okay? That's skin. That's my money.
Chapstick?
Mm-hmm. Obviously, I ain't got nothing under my shirt. What I got under my shirt? What I got? What I got? What I got under my shirt? How am I have something? If the cops are staying tight, what I got on? Nothing, right?
Alright, you're being charged with battery. Okay.
For what?
You're being
I
placed under
did
arrest.
nothing.
Okay.
Bro, I did nothing. I did nothing.
Okay, well, you're being charged with battery, okay?
How? Because y'all stopped me. Because y'all stopped me for nothing. Because y'all stopped me for nothing.
You have no point on the back of your car.
Because I literally just explained that to you. Did I not explain that to you?
I just told you multiple times.
Okay, let me go. Let me the fuck go. Let me the fuck go. Can I at least have somebody pick up my car? Can I have somebody pick up my car?
Well, you've been so cooperative.
Can I have somebody pick up my car?
I have to seatbelt you in first.
I know. Can I have somebody pick up my car? My phone is on my car.
What
My
else
phone
do
is
you
on my
do in your
car.
car?
My phone is on my car.
Whatever you
My phone is on my car. And
What
I
else
called
do we want him in
for
my car or
somebody
your
to pick
car?
up my car.
I'm the victim.
Because apparently
Battered me.
y'all charged me for nothing.
What else do you need? You need anything in your car? Okay, I have to seatbelt you in, okay?
No.
So you have to
I need somebody to pick up my car.
Okay, well, I'm not going to help you until you help me.
I can't help you until you help me, because at the end of the day, you are trying to make a false claim on me because I've done nothing.
Hey, you need the Microsoft too.
It's literally a keychain. It's a keychain. You can see exactly what it is.
No, there's I think there's separate keys.
That's fine. Why are you going to put that in the other car?
I don't know. I think whatever they charge him with holds up based on this video. I'm pretty confident.
No, it's not.
That's not to my car. Huh? That's not to my car. That's to my other car. Yeah, a black person with money. Yes. Stupid. If it clearly ain't unlocking and locking, why would it unlock?
Is there anything else you need from the car, sir? Would you like me to grab
phone.
your phone and your wallet?
My phone. My phone and my wallet. And my driver's license that fat bastard got.
Okay. Is that it? Phone and wallet. And
Because
license.
I'm calling my lawyer.
Okay.
Right now.
I just want to make sure. Phone and wallet, that's it.
Yes, please. To put me in a motherfucking handcuffs. So, yes, you.
But I wasn't even here.
You're the one with the yellow. You're the lieutenant.
I just showed up, bro.
You're the lieutenant. In all honesty, I want a white shirt.
This is as good as it's gonna get.
Nah, I want a white shirt. I want a white shirt.
There is no white shirt in here. Come
yes,
on,
there is. If there's a white shirt in Hoffman Estates, there's a white shirt in
That's
Northborough.
Hoffman. Dude, does this look like Hoffman Estates to you? Let's go. In.
I can't really move. You know that, right? I can't move anywhere. Where can I move to? My back is literally hurt. I can't move. I can't even sit straight. Y'all doing an unlawful search of my vehicle too? Okay, bad. I swear to God, I hate you bitches. I hate you bitches. Can y'all hurry the fuck up? Bro, dead ass, I'm gonna start hitting the motherfucking window. Stupid hoes.
And you wonder why people homeschool.
Detaining me for nothing. Done nothing wrong. Literally, a law-abiding citizen. Law-abiding. This is why I don't work nowhere. This is why. Because, bro, y'all really trying to pin a case on me for nothing. For nothing. Like, bitch, what the fuck you gonna do? Ain't shit under it. Ain't shit under it. Charge me with battery for what? For what? Because I touched my vehicle? I never physically touched him. He touched me. He touched me. The fuck? He touched me. Not me touching him. He touched me. He touched me. Talking about some battery. Battery is when I assault. Battery is when I physically harm somebody else. I did not physically harm anybody else. I was trying to close my door back because I was trying to be on my fucking way home. The fuck? Like, this is fucking bullshit. Like, dead ass, this is bullshit. Like, bro, motherfuckers didn't do shit. Didn't do a damn thing. Literally was minding my business trying to go home. You see how I clearly got hit. You see the back of my car is tore the fuck up. How the fuck am I supposed to have a plate on it? Like, bro, you just want to be an asshole. Just say that. If you just want to be an asshole and stop a black person and be like, oh, he has no plate, so maybe he has no insurance. Oh, maybe he has a criminal record. Bitch, I have no criminal record. Bitch, I have no nothing. Like, come on. Oh my God, no, y'all didn't call a tow truck for my car. You bitches. You fucking bitches, bro. I swear to God, I hate these fucking people.
You're going to have a criminal record now.
Hate these fucking people, bro. Because why the fuck is y'all towing my car and I've done nothing? Damn. I swear to God, I hate you white ass people. I fucking hate you white ass people, bro. Hate the fuck out of these white ass people because, bro, I've done nothing. And they towing my fucking car, bro. They're towing my fucking car. They're locking me up for no fucking reason. Oh, I promise you. I promise you. I fucking promise. I fucking promise. I swear to God. I swear to fucking God. Let me the fuck out of this car, bro. Damn, it's fucking hot. My fucking back hurts. And I've done nothing. Nothing the fuck wrong. Nothing. This is what a motherfucker get for trying to make an honest fucking living. Being discriminated against any and every fucking time I get a job anywhere. Can never go nowhere. Can never do nothing. I don't even have a record. I don't even have a fucking record. That's the crazy part. Can y'all let him over? Damn. I'm trying to go. Wherever we going. I don't know. Cause these bastards towing my fucking car, bro. Did nothing. Swear to God, I hate it out here.
I'll give you a business card.
Quick question. Can you just answer my question, please? I'm literally asking real nice, Barry. I don't want to be rude to you because you have not been rude to me. Those other two, they already worked my nerves, especially the fat one. But I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. And I promise you, this is me trying my best. Can you please tell me where they're taking my car and how much it's going to be? And then my final question for you, Barry. Do you have both? No, my bad. All three of their badge numbers? Yes. Including your badge number? Yep. I'm going to need all those. Because all those got to go to my lawyer. Every single one of those badge numbers got to go to my lawyer. And the name of the towing company. You have more than enough room.
Ultimately, the driver was charged with having no rear license plate, battery, obstructing a peace officer, illegally tinted front and side windows, and the illegal transportation of cannabis.
There you have it. I don't know. I was frustrated earlier because I couldn't get the stream to work. I think this one worked. I can't tell. I don't know. I meant to do 2 streams. I just threw whatever I had into this one. That was all fun stuff. Links to the videos and the channels in the description below. I really enjoyed Laura Owens again. It's all the same day, but that one they come in through her bedroom sliding glass door and she looks like a caged rat when they walk up. She so deserves it. It's just so satisfying watching her trying to spin out of this. It's like your decades of BS are over. We're coming to get you. I hope there's more court clips on that before it's over. I think there will be. All right. There you have it. Thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it.